Why are septic systems, especially the alternative ones, so expensive? Wonderful. Get back to business. Let's have fun. I get this question quite a bit in reference to the cost of installing a brand new septic system for new construction. Well, many of the reasons why is 1, cost of parts, 2, the amount of hands that are involved in this pot, and then 3, the level of difficulty of this job.
What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean?
So for this job, we've been contracted to install a brand new septic system for a brand new build. It's an alternative pre-treatment as well as an alternative drip drain field. One of the things that's easy to note, the level of difficulty, its grade is tremendous, going downhill. In this footprint, we have to install 2 tanks, septic tank right here, and just below it, a pump chamber. Once all those tanks are installed and electrical has been ran and panels installed and all of the above, then 2 lines 1 inch have to be excavated up this hill, 3 feet deep, all the way up to the drain field itself. But wait, there is more. Once in the proposed area of the drain field, we have to install 14 lines in this area. Oh, but wait, there is more. For this specific job, cost on parts alone is about almost $29,000. That doesn't count any markup, doesn't include manpower, none of that. So that keeps on piling on to these costs of these systems, not to count how long it takes to get started. A lot of pre-construction meetings with multiple hands, that being the designer, the county and the designer, the builder, any kind of certifying bodies to utilize their advanced equipment. It keeps on adding on. Why do I bring this up to you? Not to discourage you from getting into alternative septic system, because alternative is awesome, but you must understand how complicated it is and why it is so expensive. It's not that your septic installer is trying to take advantage of you. None of that. In fact, these jobs are very, very difficult to do in comparison to conventional septic systems. It all adds up. This job has been trying to start since December. We're almost done with April, and we just found additional things that need to be addressed. And that's what you got.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
For any questions, consultations, or anything related to your new or upgraded or replaced septic system, give me a call. My name is Ricky Salinas. I'm with Freedom Plumbers and Pumpers, Septic and Drain, here to serve you in Northern Virginia and surrounding counties. Give us a call at 703-895-4109 or email us at scheduling@freedomplumbers.com. We'll catch you on the next one.